Welcome to Uganda.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny fucking with my friend? You're a fucking ugly little cunt, mate, and if I ever see you, I'm gonna fucking slit your fucking face wide open, yeah? So, go and fuck yourself. Go and fucking crawl in a dirty, dank little hole where you fucking come from, you dirty, dragon-eating little fucking spastic.
Fucking wake up, goddamn. Fucking physics, man. Get out of your damn chair. Get to your bed, you fucker.
motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
He washed my flipper.
He owes me money.
He made me provide excellent service.
Kids, he made me experience high tide. Oh!
Fucking hell. Alright, this has gotta wake him up. Fucking damn. Here you go, this is just for him. Here you go. God damn, what the fuck? Alright,
What English, motherfucker? Do you speak it?
I guess that's
Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her.
God damn it. Oh, come on, please. Wake up.
Run.
I can't believe what's going on in his streams right now. Here you go, fucking, you're gonna start shooting guns in GTA, fucking. Walk in the room in his house. Fucking hell.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys.
God fucking damn it. Get your ass in your bed, you fuck. I'm making a whole video out of your ass. I hope you hear me in your fucking sleep.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad!
Fucking hell. Okay, come on. Fighting physics. here we go.
Holy shit! We'll always love you! I can't believe you did this to me! God damn it! How could you do this to me?
Whose voice is that? Sounds so deep. That's Bacon Donut.
I'm as deep as you want me to be. The fuck you just called me, nigga?
I've put my trust in you.
Okay, maybe this one.
What are you fucking gay?
Oh. Alright, well, we successfully made his ass fucking wake up and get to his bed. I think this would be a good video for you, Physics. I'll send it to you probably tomorrow. See you, buddy.